Nisha, you have got to see this, this crazy contraption. What are you doing to the cat? Who is that driving past my front yard? What the heck? Have you heard of a windowed acrylic template? Dun 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 dun! This is what we're talking about when we say a windowed acrylic template. This is one of our regular acrylic templates. Both are the shape of our fat house pieces for our Brimfield block. And today I'm going to go over when you might want to use this one versus this one. So grab your glue stick and let's get to work. All right, we sell several types of acrylic templates. You have the regular kind that we sell, which have the 3/8 inch seam allowance built in. We also sell those templates with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. A lot of people are just hand stitchers and they like using the 1/4 inch as their guide. And then on top of these type of acrylic templates, we have the windowed acrylic templates, both in the 3/8 inch seam allowance and the 1/4 inch seam allowance. Today, we're going to take the 1/4 inch seam allowance templates out of the picture and just talk about everything in 3/8 of an inch seam allowance land. When you open up our acrylic templates block package, this is what you'll see. You'll have to remove the paper backing from the back, but this is what your regular Fat House acrylic template looks like after you remove the paper. And for the windowed acrylic templates, this is what your Fat House looks like. Right off the bat, you can see a difference. The windowed ones have this dark paper behind it, which you don't remove, and it's on there to help you frame your fussy cut better. This one doesn't have that. Let's take a look with fabric and maybe it'll be a little easier to see. So when I put this fabric down, perhaps you want to see how this would look framed out. You can do that with our regular acrylic template right here, right? But look how much better it looks when you used a windowed acrylic template. It really allows you to visualize before you trace and cut what your fabric's going to look like. So for that reason, I tend to favor our windowed acrylic templates. Now you might be looking at this and going, but wait, this template is 2-in-1. You can remove the tips from the top of your house from the base. That's true. But when you get our windowed acrylic templates package, you have the ability to do that as well. We've given you the complete house sets, but we've also given you the ability to separate the house tips from the bases so you can get the maximal amount of fussy cutting done. I hope that makes sense. So when it comes to fussy cutting, your regular acrylic template will work fine, but this just gives you one extra step, framing out of your fussy cut, and that's why I tend to use this one more. I almost forgot. There's another bonus to using windowed acrylic templates. That's if you are wanting to make your own papers. Sometimes people just want to make their own papers. And when you order the windowed acrylic templates, you have the ability to trace the inside of each block. And this is the exact size of the paper piece template that you will need. So if you're looking to use your own papers, that's another reason to get the windowed acrylic templates. If you learned something today, please give us the thumbs up below and subscribe to our channel. We'll be back next time for more tips and tricks from the girls at Brimfield Awakening. Have a great one.